This is my unboxing of the Samsung 850 EVO solid state drive. So it's a very simple unboxing. It simply comes in some black plastic casing. You can see the solid state drive. One thing to note about this drive is it does not come with any sort of mounting bracket, so you will need either a mounting bracket as part of your case, or you'll need to order a mounting bracket separately. And you can see it includes a manual and CD as well. And that's it for the unboxing. Feel free to check out my other videos and leave a comment below.